Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to use the CSS files and use them with your website using Adobe Dreamweaver. So the first thing that I will need you to do is to open your Adobe Dreamweaver application, and then you will need to follow these simple steps. So here I have my HTML code here, and now we need to add a CSS file in our project here. So basically the easiest thing is to use the CSS designer here. If you cannot find it in this tab, you can just go to window and search for the CSS designer, and you will have this tab or menu or here. So basically now we will add, or we will need to have a source, which means a CSS file, and we will need a selector. A selector are all the tags of our code. So basically we need to start with the code or with a CSS file. So as you can see, now we are going to create a new CSS file and click here, and you will link it with this page. So the link will be with here, and then the file or URL, just search here, uh, just add it wherever you want and click save. I'm going to have it, for example, in this file, or just search for any file. It can be like the desktop. Let's go for desktop for the moment, and just go here and save, name it CSS, and click save. Okay, and now we have our CSS and our link that has been created. Now the thing that we need to do is to have a selector. So basically you will need to select here, for example, and we will go for our body and go to the selector and click on add. So we have this body and click OK, and now we will let's just expand our uh, file or menu, and then we will click on the body, and now we can see our properties. You click on more so you can see all the properties that you have. So basically those are the properties. You need just to select something. For example, you will select the body here and click on selector. So let's just call it body, and now you will see all the properties, and then you can add the properties that you want after you select the parts that you want to add, or that you want to add properties to it or style it. Here are you will find all the properties that you need, from width, height, from wallpaper or background, from alignment, type of text, color, everything that you want. And then you will just add the attributes to your properties, and then you will have them applied to your website automatically. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.